Okay, it's raining. The geese are being relatively quiet. The chickens are roosting, and actually Ferdinand is also. He's way over there at the very end, roosting in the compost house. The geese are over there, just hanging out in the rain. Part of them are asleep, as you can see. They kind of alerted when they heard my voice and have decided to start making a little bit of noise. But there come some guineas. But they sure are enjoying the rain. I watched them for a long time this morning. The ducks were out here earlier, just singing in the rain. I love my critters. Y'all have a good day. Love ya.